Okay, let's look at circuits which consist of diodes, normal diodes, as well as Zener diode. How will you solve these kind of circuits? That's what we'll see. Let's say you are applying a input of 10 sine omega t, sinusoidal input, amplitude is 10, okay, which will look like this, and it will go on and on. I've just made one time period. So this is the maximum value 10. This is Vi. This is Vi. And this is Zener diode NP. Then this the D1 and D2 are normal diodes PN PN. Then there is a resistance, and we have to check, we have to calculate the, or you have to draw the waveform of the P out, okay, the voltage across resistor. And the diodes are idle, you have to assume all three of them, and the Zener breakdown voltage is 3.3 volt for Zener diode. Okay, so we will solve. So for positive half cycle, what you will have is, you can see that if positive half cycle will be there, then this diode will be negative biased or reverse biased. Now if Vi is less than 3.3 volt, okay, less than equal to, this Zener diode will be off, and in that case nothing will be transmitted to the output side, and we can say Vout will be 0. Okay, if Vi is greater than 3.3 volt, so this will be replaced by uh, Zener voltage, positive negative. So in this fashion, 3.3 volt, this will be the equivalent of this Zener diode in this case. So now this is done. So what will happen to these guys? So since it is in positive half cycle, this will be reverse bias and this will be forward bias, and it is idle, so there will be no 0.7 volt. Okay, so it will behave as a short, and this will behave as a open, since they are in positive half cycle, and this is adding 3.3 volt. Okay, so V naught will be equal to Vi okay, positive negative. So if I write KVL, it will be minus Vi plus 3.3 plus V naught will be equal to 0. This is what you will get, and V naught will be equal to Vi minus 3.3 volt. Okay, so this is one you will get, and this is one you are getting in the positive half cycle. For negative half cycle, what will happen? What will happen? Vi will be, if whatever will happen, this Zener diode will be forward bias. Okay, if Vi is less than 0 or equal to, this Zener diode will be forward bias, and forward bias means it is also idle, so means it will be short, and this guy will behave as short circuit, and this will be behaving as open circuit. Okay, since it's in negative half cycle, so this will be anyway short. Now we have to check for these two. So out of these two, this will be short, since it is NP, and this will be open. So this will be the path. Okay, this will be the open. So whatever the Vi will be, V naught will be same. Okay, so what you can see is, it will be 0 if Vi is less than equal to 3.3 volt, and if Vi is greater than 3.3 volt in the first positive half cycle, V naught will be Vi minus 3.3. Okay, whatever the Vi value will be, it will be 3.3 minus. So what I'll do is, this is the 3.3 volt in Vi. So what I'll do here, we'll bring these lines, and this will be a small pump. Okay, rather than going for a big pump between 3.32 volts, it is following Vi, but it is 3.3 less. Okay, and here it is 0, and this is the first half cycle is ending, here it is 0. and the second negative half cycle is following the input. So this is also minus 10 and this is also minus 10, but this is 10, but this is 10 minus 3.3. Okay, so I hope you are able to see what will be the curve. So this is how it will go, that like this, then like this, then like this. Okay, so let's look at another example. Here it is given 1 kilo ohm resistor, 10 sin omega t a sinusoidal input, diode D1, Z1 Zener diode, D2 diode. Okay, PN, PN, PN. We have to draw V naught curve. Okay, so Vi looks like this. It goes from minus 10 to plus 10. It's a sinusoidal signal, and V gamma and V gamma for both the diodes, diode D1 and D2 is 0.7 volts when it is in forward bias, and the Zener voltage for the Zener diode is 5.8 volt. We have to draw the curve of V naught. Okay, so first thing we will see for positive half cycle. For positive half cycle, if you will see, D2 will be off. You can see it is negative positive, and it is this terminal will be positive in positive half. This will be open. Okay, off means open. So it depends upon this branch, whatever the output will be. So now there can be 2-3 cases happening here. Okay, if Vi is less than 0.7 volt, then D1 will be off, whole branch will be open, and V0 will be equal to Vi. Okay, this branch will be open, this branch will be open, so all the Vi will be going there. Okay, if Vi is greater than 0.7 and less than 5.8 volt, sorry, I should write okay, so I should see if it is less than equal, let's say. So if it is equal here, then it will be off, no use of this branch because it's open. If that's the case, 0.7 and 5.8, then this will be D1 will be on, means 0.7 volt, but Z1 will be off. Okay, which means open circuit. So again this branch will have no effect, means V0 will be equal to Vi. Okay, and if Vi is greater than okay, so I made a mistake here. So this should be 6.5 volt, which is the combination of 5.8 plus 0.7, because there will be a drop here at 0.7. If this in this range, what will happen, this diode will be on, so whatever the voltage will appear across this will be this voltage plus this voltage. That is why 0.7 I have added to 5.8, so that it will become 6.5. and if the Vi is above 0.7 but it is less than 6.5, what will happen, this case will be happen. And if it is greater than 6.5 volt, this is how the circuit will look like. 1K, this is positive negative, this is positive negative, 5.8 volt and 0.7 volt. Okay, and V0 will be here is equal to, this total will be 6.5 volt. Okay, so I hope it is clear how I have made this region. So first I checked for this diode whether this will be a range I have created below the cut-in voltage of this diode and above the cut-in voltage of this diode, which is here. And then we checked for the Zener diode. For Zener diode means if it is less than 5.8, then what will happen, and if it is above 5.8, then what will happen. But instead of 5.8 we added 0.7 as well, because we are assuming that by that time your diode D1 will be on. Okay, if you are checking in this range, so diode this will be on, so there will be a sum of this 0.7 voltage. Okay, so you can see that how the waveform is changing. So V0 was following Vi all the time, but when as soon as Vi increases 6.5 volt, V0 was stable at 6.5 volt. Okay, so you can think of it, so it is following Vi transfer characteristics V0, this is Vi, and this will be stable at 6.5 volt. Okay, so this you have to make sure that I have considered both of them, because this will be forward bias, so positive negative, and if this has to be in Zener mode, then the voltage has to be more than 5.8 plus 0.7, the drop across this as well. So total will be, if if Vi is greater than 6.5 volt total, then and then only both will be on, else only this diode will be on and this will be off, and in that case also V0 will be equal to Vi. So I hope you are able to see how I did the calculation. Okay, now let's look at for the negative half cycle. For the negative half cycle, you can see this is on, and if this will be on, this will be converted to positive negative. Okay, and this diode will be off since it is in negative half cycle, so there is no need to check for a Zener diode since this branch is off, and this will be negative positive 0.7. Okay, V0. So what you can say is, when Vi is less than when Vi is greater than minus 0.7, this will not be on and V0 will be equal to Vi. Okay, and if Vi is greater than equal to, okay, this means D2 will be off, and this is already on off, D1 is already off, so the output will follow input. If Vi is less than minus 0.7, means D1 is already off and D2 will be on. If that's the case, V0 will be equal to minus 0.7 volt. This is negative positive, this is positive negative, that's why it is minus 0.7 volt. So you can say it will go on and on and on, and at minus 0.7, this will be minus 0.7, and it will stay at that. Okay, above this. So this is our V0 curve. This guy is our answer. Okay, so I hope you are able to see how I did the analysis of the circuit. So this part was important. So if it is total voltage, if Vi will be greater than total voltage, then and then only this branch will be uh, working, else it will be open all the time. Okay.